Hey everyone, today I'm diving into 10 daily habits that are secretly ruining your mental health. You might be surprised at how common these habits are. Let's get into it. First up, habit number 1, skipping breakfast. Breakfast really is the most important meal of the day. It fuels your brain and sets the tone for your entire day. Skipping it can lead to mood swings and low energy levels. Number 2, too much screen time. We're glued to our screens all day, but did you know this habit can lead to anxiety and depression? Try to take regular breaks and give your eyes and mind a rest. Habit number 3, negative self-talk. This one's a biggie. Constantly putting yourself down can seriously damage your self-esteem. Be kinder to yourself and remember, you're doing your best. Number 4, lack of sleep. We all know how crucial sleep is, yet so many of us skimp on it. Poor sleep affects everything from your mood to your memory. Aim for at least 7-8 hours a night. Fifth habit, procrastination. Putting things off can create a vicious cycle of stress and anxiety. Try breaking tasks down into smaller steps to make them more manageable. Number 6, not exercising. Physical activity is a natural mood booster. Even a short walk can make a big difference in your mental health. Get moving, folks. Habit number 7, overworking. We all want to be productive, but constant work without breaks can lead to burnout. Make sure to balance work with relaxation. Number 8, neglecting social connections. Humans are social creatures. Spending time with loved ones can greatly improve your mental well-being. Don't isolate yourself. Ninth habit, poor diet. What you eat affects how you feel. A diet high in sugar and processed foods can impact your mood and energy levels. Opt for nutritious whole foods. Finally, number 10, holding grudges. Holding on to anger and resentment can be incredibly toxic. Letting go and forgiving can lead to peace of mind and better mental health. So there you have it. 10 daily habits that might be secretly destroying your mental health. Awareness is the first step to change. If you recognize any of these habits in your life, don't stress. Small changes can make a big difference. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tips on living your best life. Thanks for watching, and take care.